And this is actually the reason I went to town today. I had to pick up some flowers, but somehow something just dawned on me today, like, do we even know how to wait for something anymore? Like, today when I went to town, I actually saw tulips. Tulips that normally are, can you see this? For March. But tulips are already ready for, oh, look at this, this is so pretty. Like, it's January and the tulips are already available. I don't know about you. Do you know how to wait? It's just, things are so readily available that we don't know what to wait anymore. So let's pick this out. They're really pretty. Don't mind the glasses. I have really the light sensitive. My eyes are really just light sensitive. As soon as it gets a little bit bright outside, my eyes, I cannot look directly outside, and I have headaches if I don't have sunglasses on. So yeah, now you know. So I brought 2 vases. So I hope, I don't know which one will fit in. I got this vase from actually both of them. This I got it recently from a second-hand store, and this one is also I think from a second-hand store, but a long time ago. So let's pack it. Beautiful, I'm so excited. Oh, I love tulips. I love tulips. smells so really lovely. And I found the color so beautiful, like the mixture of purple and yellow and these wild things. It's just, for me, so just so beautiful. Let's put him in. We are inviting spring in the house. So pretty. And it smells really, really heavenly. So I have to do some other things. And it's kind of a busy day today. I have so many things to finish up, some memory training to do, and so yeah, let's go. Ready. Wow. Ah. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, that was really nice.